Hey friends, today I'm going to be showing you how I organize my cosplay collection on Notion. Let's go ahead and get into it. Here is just an overview of the template. So nothing too crazy, so this won't be a very long video, but I did just want to show you what I do and hopefully it'll inspire you. Obviously, as you can see, I have some photos here, just decorations, one of my favorite characters to cosplay. I have some notes, so any ideas, maybe places I could look to get items, potential conventions, just anything can go there. It's just a dumping ground. In the middle, I have upcoming conventions. Obviously, right now, there have been kind of some issues with that going on. These are some of the ones I have in mind. We'll see if they happen or not, but I like to have them visible just so I know what's coming up. Over here is reference websites. Honestly, right now I pretty much just use Pinterest, so there's not really need for me to put anything there. But if I did have something, I would put it there if I ever came across anything that I thought was really outstanding. Scrolling on down to my cosplay agenda, as you can see, I have this broken into ideas, in progress, finished, and need to shoot. I actually do need to update this one up finished. So essentially this helps me stay organized and see where I'm at with each cosplay. As I actually have photo shoots, I usually will copy and paste those into here as well, just to give you an idea of the template I use. Okay, so it's a little laggy right now because I'm recording. So this is what I do when I have a new cosplay. I have a template already created and then I can indicate the status of what I'm working on. But I have it sorted into things I need to buy or make, photos for inspiration, quotes, and then other cosplayers for reference or inspiration. So for example, here is Beth Harmon from Queen's Gambit. I have a list of different things that I would need in order to create her cosplay. I wanted to do the white coat version. I have not worked on this at all actually because I haven't found the perfect coat, but I do have multiple photos of kind of what she looks like, her makeup. I like to have the quotes because then I can have a good Instagram caption. Here's just another example of Violet. Here's an example of one that I have more filled out because I can definitely be lazy. So this is my Shigo cosplay. So pretty straightforward. Obviously, she's a cartoon character. I do have these more realistic ones as well, just for inspiration. This one I thought was cool, just because it's more like a realistic version. But going down, I have some quotes, as mentioned, and then I actually do have some other cosplayers. This is actually the suit I do have for her, so it's ready whenever I'm ready. I just really need to kind of get into and shoot. Here's just kind of a look at everything I've been working on. So it's pretty much straightforward. I definitely have a lot. One thing I really need to focus on is actually shooting the photos. I do post all of my cosplay on my Instagram. It would be my personal Instagram, what Paige said. There's a link down below if you'd like to follow. I hope this video was helpful in planning out your cosplay and seeing what you do have in mind. Very, very straightforward view, not really too much complications here. Very simple Kanban board. Highly recommend this method because you will be able to have all your photos in one place. And you can also include photos of how you've styled your cosplay in the past, and then you can reference it for later. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you all next time.